Greetings one and all. How's everybody doing? I hope very well. It's local eats, and I thought what I'd do today is I would hit the fish and chip food truck. So I'm actually gonna open this up and show it to you before I take a bite. Show you how good it looks. I actually ate here last Friday, so I figured, well, I gotta come back and do a local eats for this. So let me get the camera turned down. All right, so here's my pre-bite view. I got some tartar sauce, lemon wedge, fish. I wanna get this fish moved over. Wow. Alrighty. Last week I don't remember this thing being so wobbly. Of course, when on camera's on, everything, the difficulty's always ramped up to 11. You probably can't see this, but I'm putting lemon on the fish. Gotta get the lid off the tartar sauce. All right. So, yeah, I dip my fries in tartar. There we go. It's a beer battered fish. That breaks pretty easy. Oh wow. Alright, so here it is again. The fish. One little burnt end fry. I never eat those. Tastes really good though. Enjoy my lunch. I'll bring it back. Alright, so I'm excuse me. I'm literally editing the video right now as I speak, but I realized I didn't have the menu. The menu recorded. I was gonna record the menu board, but there were a bunch of people standing around it, so it's like, you know, where's your order and here's the menu. So, you know, not much you can do about it. So let's go to the food. So we have fish and chips. You get for $15 you get a 3-piece. For $10 you get a 2-piece. I got the 2-piece. Was quite good. Shrimp, Cajun shrimp, chicken tenders, which I've not had yet. Maybe next time I'll go there and get it, because I've been going there every Friday. Then they have fish tacos, shrimp tacos, chicken tacos, vegan fish tacos. Which, how do you have vegan fish? Anyway. Then they have kids meal, fish and chips, shrimp basket, chicken nuggets. Then they have your drinks, your fries, which are actually pretty good. Ginger slaw. You can buy extra sauces, extra fish for $2. Extra fish taco, extra chicken, and extra shrimp. So it's not a huge menu, which I appreciate, because when you do a smaller menu, it allows you to focus more on the quality of the food. So that would be eatthedutch.com, which will be linked down in the description. So, two things. I forgot to take my glasses off. One, if you're wondering about the tape, I'm covering my company logo, because believe it or not, people will see the logo and they'll actually try to call the company and try to get you fired. I know for a fact this happened to one guy who I know, and I heard of it happening to a couple other YouTubers. They just, you know, they don't like your channel so much, so they'll just try to do whatever they can to tear you down. It's like, oh, I don't like the fact this guy makes videos, so I'm gonna try to get him, you know, ruin his livelihood and get his job taken away from him. So that's why I cover up, and I don't mention where I work. Also, I'm gonna go and say, food trucks. I feel like food trucks are pretty underrated.
I've had some seriously delicious meals at food trucks. So, you know, if you have a local food truck around you, maybe you look them up, maybe give them a try. I'm sure they'd appreciate the business. I've heard complaints, read complaints, word of mouth complaints about food trucks that they're expensive. You know, this 2-piece fish and chip is only a tenner, so, you know, and I'm satisfied. You know, I could eat it. I can, you know, put some food away, but I'm satisfied. I mean, this is lunch, and I'm gonna drive away really content. You know, it's delicious. Fish was fresh, flaking apart. Hell, even the lemon wedge was fresh too. So, just a really good fish and chip. Just solid, decent fish, good fries, good tartar sauce, and you know, and they always give you just enough you don't run out, so I can eat it with my fries too, and I appreciate that. So yeah. So if you have any local food trucks around, you give them check them out. Well, meal is complete. As I spill everything. Well, that was a massive fail. The lid popped open. You know, last week I ate here, no issues, not a single problem. This week I'm all thumbs because the camera's on, I think. So I commented beginning of the video, but I cleaned everything out, but I still had just a little bit of tartar sauce left. And I appreciate the fact you don't run out before you're done. Very much on a side of Homer and Simpson on that one. So, good meal. We'll be back. I've been eating here every Friday for the last, this is actually my second time here. So, I was here last Friday. I'll probably be here next Friday too, because it was good. Real good. Anyway, check the end card for last week's video if you missed it. Also, there'll be a playlist on the end card as well for the rest of my videos. Have a great day. Have a great week. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.